we talk about how can you enable trending post notifications on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on manage notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you come here to trending here posts. You click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us. That's main trending post notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.